everybody, today I'll be working on a 12 by 16 canvas, but I will also be pouring on this porcelain bowl. I was recently contacted by Dowan. Their company makes porcelain dinnerware, and they asked me if they could send me some products to pour on, so I said yes. So I do have my colors picked out here in front of me. The first color I have is FolkArt, and it is white pearl. My second color is from Artist Loft, and it is metallic cobalt blue. And my third color is from Liquitex Basics, and it's cadmium red light hue. All my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and water. And no, I didn't add any silicone or anything. So I am going to do a little bit of prep work, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I put the bowl is on top of the canvas. I put a cup underneath it and set the bowl on top, and I've already taken my white pearl and just covered the bowl with the white pearl. The only prep work that I did to the bowl was I wiped it off with isopropyl alcohol, and that was it. Let it dry, that was it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take each one of these colors and I'm just going to start pouring them on in different areas and just see what happens. Okay guys, so I was going to do a little bit more, but I really like how this is looking. It's just simple but really pretty at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move the bowl off of the canvas, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so I got the bowl moved, and then I took the rest of my pearl white and I covered the outside. So now I'm just going to play around a bit and see what happens. I'm going to take my stick and I'm just going to pull some of this color in. Although it doesn't look like it's really going. There's really a lot of the pearl white in the middle. But I kind of like the effect that it left, right, like the swirls that it left. So I'm just going to move it around a bit and see what happens, and then we're going to go from there. Okay guys, so it's been about a half an hour. I'll take you in for a little bit of a close-up. As you can see, the cobalt, actually both the cobalt and the orange started feathering. So that's the reason that I left it. I was going to mess a little more, but I really like how that looks. Look at that, it looks so cool. And sometimes simple is better. Sometimes just a simple pattern looks really, really cool. All right, so then we've got this. This painting looks really, really cool too. It's got a little bit more going on than the bowl. You can see all the natural cells popping up, and the colors are just amazing. That pearl white is just my favorite. I love using it. And you can see in a couple areas, like right there, the kind of the swirly design from the drip off of the bowl stayed. I got to keep a little bit of that, so that's cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry, and then I will be back so you can see them. All right, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting and the bowl all dry. Take in for a little bit of a close-up. This dried really, really nice. I love how it feathered. It looks really, really cool. And these bowls are very nice quality. They seem very sturdy, and the paint adhered quite well to the surface. So that's nice, and it's just a simple, elegant design. So I like that. And then here's the painting. And it looks really good. The colors stayed nice. There's some areas that I like there's one area I love the contrast of the pearl finish to like the matte finish right there, and then over here's a couple areas. It looks really cool. I like that. And then of course I got all the natural cells that came through. All right, so I like what I got here from the runoff, and the bowl turned out amazing. All right, so stay tuned for more videos. I have 3 of these bowls to do, so stay tuned for those. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.